Welcome to Pinoy Summit. In this video, we will discuss the Licensure exam for teachers focusing in general education. English. All together versus all together. Number 1. All of the participants in the Global Warming Conference are blank in the lobby. A. All together. B. All together. C. All together. D. Together all. If your answer is C, all together, then you are correct. All together refers to all member of a particular group. It can mean the following: everyone, everything together, or in a group. It is a phrase. For example, the family members are all together in just one room. When we say all together, it can mean the following: all things considered, all in all, on the whole. It is a single word adverb. For example, altogether, the event was a success. Number 2. The ideas being presented by the speaker are blank confusing. A. All together. B. All together. C. Together all. D. All together. If your answer is B, all together, you are correct. It can mean the following: including everything or everyone in total. It is an adverb. For example, we strongly believe that the result of the election is altogether fair. However, altogether refers to all members of a particular group. It can mean the following: everyone, everything together, or in a group, and it's a phrase. For example, Christmas is my favorite season because it brings us all together. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you. Subscribe and ring the notification bell for more video like this. See you in the next video. Cheers.